Hello everybody, it's August 12th, 2017, and I'm out on the pond today with motor number 2. This one is a 1953 Johnson QD-14 10 horse. The 1953 is kind of a transitional year for these. This is the first year for the twist grip throttle. It still has the screw-on cowl. 1954 was the first year for the up and off buckled quick removal type cowling. This one is kind of a pain to get off, but I like the styling of them. So this is a neat motor. I like these because between having the twist grip throttle and the shift on the front, it's a really handy little fishing motor. They're not real big, they're not real heavy, good power. They're kind of loud. There isn't a lot there to quiet them down, but they're good running motors. So I haven't done anything to this one. This was purchased at Tomahawk this year as a runner. I will go through it eventually and tune up what needs to be tuned up. It needs a gear case reseal, and I got to check out the power head base gasket. It's leaking water now. So that's a couple things that I know of, and I'll just go ahead and look it over and give it what it needs when I get into it. But I haven't done anything to it yet. This is as found, and we're going to take it for a run around the pond here and see how it does. Alright, I'm pretty close to shore, so I better start out in reverse. That'll do it on this one until I get her all gone through and give it a lake run later on. Until next time, thanks for watching, and keep your crop out of the mud.